I mean, I could try. I need both. Look, she needs you. I need both of my hands to blow dry her. What a oh, is that much? No, no. This one, yeah. You see the middle cone? No, other one. Come on, you gonna have to get up there. Yeah, man, you're gonna have that. It's hard. Yeah. I don't know how you do it.
Turn her around.
You're doing too much. That's too good. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Stop pressing the pole button.
There you go.
Lella, we need your help. Look at her little spikes on the top of her head. You see them spikes? Ew. Oh, she monkey. Yeah. Oh my God. Why do you need 3 of us?
Mute.
Are you recording us? She keeps shaking her.
The camera's on the baby.
You need to hold her down.
It's on the baby. I can just see your hand. I see your hand.
You need to hold her down. The longer you don't, the more we're just gonna be here.
Hey. Baby.
No.
Okay. That's enough.
Give her her treat.
Hey.
She just had a bath, y'all. She does not like the blow dryer. It's so funny. She doesn't like the blow dryer. Oh my God.
Oh.
All right, sit down with the treat in your hand.
Ah! What is that? You give it to her.
Where is it? All right, now hold her the right way so I can go turn her around back.
Ooh, this child don't like no.
Wait, you have to hold it down.
Oh my God.
Fell out.
Mute. Tay, move.
Come on, it fell out. No, she's about to run. She's about to run out there.
She don't like the blow dryer. She don't like it.
You're not getting away. Clean that out. But my whole outfit wet now.
You wasn't going nowhere.
I gotta lay down in the wet clothes.
No, you don't. You throw that right in the dryer. Or better yet, wash it.
How did it taste? I think I want to bite.
What are you doing with that? Put it back down.
You had to give her a treat. Give her a treat. Make her
I'm going
act
to take a bite.
to calm her down. And it's working. I feel like she's trying to hurry up and chew it fast so she can get back to action. She's trying to get back to the action.
Hey, calm. You're getting it back. Calm.
Alright.
It's about to be done.
No, it's really about to be done. The treat.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's.
How did she eat it that fast?
I give it like 5 more seconds. Or not.
And the treat is gone and back to action. Back to action. You devoured that treat.
No.
Why you don't give it to me?
I don't like her eating. They're not really good for her. You better stop it.
Girl, she's trying to climb up on just to get. Oh shit! Oh.
Her mouth in my ring.
Oh, you want to mess
She
with
might
me?
just have to run around and dry.
Rest it away.
Nuh-uh.
Release her.
No.
Oh shit! Oh, wait. Honestly,
Hey!
she's hurting me. She's hurting me. She's hurting me.
No, you listen to me. You listen to me.
She's trying to fight.
Hold this real quick so I can converse your this.
I don't like her fur when it's not dry. It looks.
I'm trying my best here. Come on. I'm trying my best here. We need one of them things they put their head in. Come on.
She's not having it.
She's fighting the hell out of us. Okay, hold her.
I'm trying to fix your ear back. She don't like it. Wait. You can't run.
Listen to me.
This girl is strong. Hey. This one, look that way. Yo, her feet is in my chest, like. Feel it. Okay, now she's calm. Now she almost got a towel.
Hey, listen to me.
You lucky she holding me back. You lucky she holding me back.
Hold her head.
She does not
That's
like
what you
this
need to
blow
be
dryer. And we have to blow dryer after her bath, y'all. We have
Hold
to.
it. Gotta fight this. Kamaya, hold it. Her teeth will
It
be
is
hurt.
hell.
Yeah, right.
This is the worst part. This is not the fun part, I'll tell you what, of her bath time. It's not.
I can try. She know what she doing.
You won't win this. You won't win this.
That's her bath water. Bath soap water.
She's trying to get away. She's trying to get away. No, you have nowhere to go. You have nowhere to go. How about a belly rub? How about a, you see that? Belly rub.
Belly rub's gonna rub.
Oh, no. Bro, stop. Belly rub. Oh, that feels so good. Alright, now come. You got a belly rub, now come.
Okay, she might have to run around because I can't do it.
She can't run around. No.
Okay.
That's the only way she'll dry off.
No, she can't run around.
Why can't she have playtime?
She wants you, bro.
Well, pick up all her stuff first.